having a big joke on the Staalmeester stand at the Painting and Decorating Show 2025. Now, everybody's very reluctant to talk to me about their products, but I've drawn them out like a winkle picker up at Morecambe. So I'm going to swivel the camera around. We've got to talk to the guys from my paintbrush and also Staalmeester. And they're going to talk about these brushes that are really a bit new to the UK, but they're probably not new to the UK if you've had them before. And I'm going to do my usual 1, 2, 3, and we've got a swivel. So we've got Sam, who you've seen on plenty of Instagram, social media videos, not so much on YouTube like I am. No. I am the person on YouTube.
Personal assistant there, by looks.
Personal assistants there. Can you see that? Camera to camera. And we've also got Thomas. It's a really good name. My youngest son's called Thomas. We call him Tommy because it gives him a harder look about him. And we always say you can't go wrong if you pick names from the Thomas the Tank Engine book.
Okay.
So we've got Sam because that's all there. So can't go wrong. Right. Do you want to tell us about your products, what your brushes are, why you're here in the UK promoting your new brushes?
Staalmeester is a brand from 1948 already. And we're a Dutch brand from the Rotterdam area. All our products are handmade. And we are here for the painters to get our products in their hands. We always go for the highest quality of the products to get the painters their colorful potential as they used to have with the products like these.
What have we got then? I'll help you out. Dutch isn't my first language. Clearly English isn't your first language, but
you're right.
But it is fantastic compared to what my even French is. You've got laying off brushes. Are these just little diddy laying off brushes?
This is our 1 series, the brushes for your high-end jobs, and these are called the deco spalter from our 1 series.
A deco
spalter. So for decoration.
Decoration, right? Yeah.
Decoration spalter.
I'm going to nod and I'm going to go, yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
So it's easy with the short handles to get around in your project, and you don't hit your job every time with your long handles, like you would have for your laying off brush. And we have several types of brushes, like the round sashes for your
sash windows and things like that. Yeah.
Window frames.
Are these geared up for oil-based paints? Or are they geared up for
oil-based paint and water-based paint?
Yeah.
So for both, and especially the laying off brushes, you just have to tip it in a little bit in your paint and lay off your biggest surface that you're painting with.
A lot of people in Holland use the laying off brushes with like the sickings, don't they? Stuff like that with the sicking.
High-end paints.
Yeah.
And they're the oil version as well. So there's a lot of videos out there with oil and water, and then great finishing both.
That's nice. So what you've got shouting in the background. We've got a brush that really wants bedding in with a little bit of paint on it before you start laying off. Don't use it cold.
For example, use a microfelt roller from our range and lay it off with the laying off brush.
Just for the tips of the bristles. Tips of the bristles. But what else have we got over here? We've just been talking about the little bit of string round these sash brushes, and there was a gentleman didn't really understand that, but I've explained to him and enlightened him that the reason was if you've got a pure bristle brush back in the day, that would wear down, and as you got closer to that string, what you would do is release that string and allow a little bit more length out of that brush or sash brush, so it still kept the firmness, but you had a little bit more to work with, and that kept the brush lasting a lot longer. A lot of people have probably never seen that before and just thought it was decorative, but there is a purpose to it. Whether we need to use that so much nowadays, because synthetic brushes do last a lot longer, but you know what? It does look sexy. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about this range?
Well, this is our Pro Hybrid range. It's a fully synthetic brush for water-based paints and oil-based paints. So you can use for both types of paints. These series have a stainless steel ferrule, so the quality of the products remains really good, even after washing them for several times. They keep their shape, and it's like a great product.
That's good. Then we've also got, we'll just touch on the tools there. We've got the scrapers. We've got a combination scraper.
Like that. Just with oval scrapers.
We've got oval.
Like the profile scrapers. the flat scrapers and the triangle.
Triangle one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good one. Sharp.
Anyone's doing burning off and things like that.
Yeah.
To want to strip
Yeah.
off paint,
Yeah.
wallpaper, paint strippers and things like that.
You're right.
Good.
You're right. And next to our Pro Hybrid series, we have the classic series. Back in the days, it used to be with the natural bristles, but nowadays we use a synthetic bristle, so we can control the quality better.
Yeah.
And we can give the characteristics of the natural bristle to a synthetic bristle and have the right stiffness for oil-based paints. And
That's
that was black bristles in it.
Good.
And here we have our roller series. And next to our hybrid series, we have our new angle brush that we just released in the beginning of this year in all the 3 sizes, 1.5, 2, and 2.5 inch for water-based paints and oil-based paints. So a lot of painters use it for woodworks, and beside that, they use it also for latex and walls.
That's good. Thank you very much for talking to me. I know it's a bit nerve-wracking, and as I say, English isn't your first language. So I'm going to compliment you. Your English is fantastic. So thank you very much for talking on camera. It's a little bit nerve-wracking and explaining all these brushes. It's hopefully people who watch the channel are going to then see this and they'll
want to give it a try with these products and
that's right.
Feel the quality.
And
you know it's the one.
There's a joke in there about feeling the quality and enjoying and a tailor. But
you got an interesting fact for us?
Have you got an interesting fact?
Like?
Well, could be anything.
Maybe you can do it from my paintbrush. That's nice.
About how with obviously the rope's been the big tool. Someone in the factory puts them on all by hand.
All by
as well, yeah, all by hand. Have you got any others? Interesting. You must have a couple of interesting facts about Staalmeester. Sorry, a couple of interesting facts. What people wouldn't know.
This is putting people on the spot.
It's one of the oldest brands in Holland.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
As well.
Fourth generation company.
Yeah. You got one.
And you're the owner.
One of the owners.
One of the owners. You're the owner.
Family
business.
Generation.
Oh, yeah, mate.
That is what we wanted to hear about. Being a family business. Well, I'm going to say, both of these gentlemen, thank you very much for talking to me. I hope this is a bit of an insight to what these brushes are. And if you want to try them, obviously look out for them at My Paintbrush. So see you on the next one.